Hey everyone, before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to relax and focus on our breathing with a brief meditation. So sit up straight with your feet planted firmly on the ground and your hands resting on your thighs. When you're ready, you can gently close your eyes and take a deep inhale through your nose. And exhale slowly, also through your nose. On the next deep inhale through your nose, feel your spine growing nice and tall as your shoulders relax. And as you exhale through your nose, maintain that length in your spine. On the next deep inhale, send the breath to any parts of your body that may be feeling tight today. And as you exhale slowly through your nose, feel that tension release. On the next deep inhale through your nose, feel the air filling your lungs as your sternum rises. You're filling your diaphragm. And at the top, hold your breath for a few seconds. And see how slowly you can exhale through your nose, savoring the breath and feeling a greater sense of calm and relaxation and peace. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. This multiple choice problem comes from the College Board. It's from section 4 of the SAT test, which does allow calculators. And the problem says, in the XY plane, the line determined by the points 2K and K32 passes through the origin. Which of the following could be the value of K? So give this problem a try, see what you can do. If you're not sure how to approach it, you can even just take a guess, and in about a minute, we'll have a look at it together. Let's take a look at this. So there are a variety of ways that you can approach this problem, but I'd like to show you how creating a table can be a very powerful strategy that quickly leads to the answer. So we know that we have 3 points on the line. One point is 2K, a second point is K32, and a third point is the origin, which is 0, 0. Let's organize our information in a table. So one point is the origin, and that's 0, 0. Another point is 2K, and a third point is K32. So those are 3 known points, and I'm not going to worry about the fact that there's a variable of K in there somewhere. So think about a line. You know that if you have a line and you know that there are 3 points on it, any 3 points, the slope between any pair of those 3 points is all going to be the slope of the line. So let's use that to help us here. Let's first look at what the slope would be if we compared the first and the second point. And the slope is going to be the rise over the run. So that's going to be k minus 0, which is k, over 2 minus 0, which is 2. That's the slope that would be computed by comparing the first and the second point. Now let's look at the first and the third point. And you may be wondering, well, why am I picking those? Well, it's because those values in the third point and the second point minus the zeros in the first point are going to be really easy to work with. So the rise over run of the third point to the first point is going to be 32 minus 0, and the run's going to be k minus 0. So I know that throughout the line, the slope between all pairs of points is going to be equal. So I know that k over 2, which is the slope between one pair of points, is going to be equal to the slope of 32 over k, which is the slope computed by a second pair. And then now all I need to do is go ahead and solve this. I see that k squared is equal to 64. So k has to be equal to 8. So the answer is C. I hope you appreciate that using a table to organize your information and work with it in an efficient manner can be a really powerful strategy for quickly leading to the solution.